One of the world's most widely used file compression tools, WinRAR, has been hit by a dangerous zero-day vulnerability. Cybersecurity experts warn that millions of users could be at risk if they don't update immediately.
Security firm ESET first detected the attack on July 18. By July 24, researchers confirmed it was an unknown flaw in WinRAR, affecting a software with an estimated 500 million users worldwide. A fix was released 6 days later, but by then, hackers had already been exploiting the bug for weeks. ESET linked the attacks to Romcom, a financially motivated Russian group with a history of using rare 0 days. Meanwhile, Russian security firm Buy.Zone discovered a separate campaign by another group called Paper Werewolf, also known as Gophi. Both were using the same WinRAR flaw, and in Paper Werewolf's case, combining it with an earlier vulnerability. The exploit abuses a Windows feature called alternate data streams to bypass protections and plant malicious files in system folders like %temp% and %localappdata%. Once opened, these files can install backdoors, spyware, and data stealing tools, all without the victim knowing. ESET observed 3 attack chains, one using COM hijacking to install the Mythic Agent exploitation framework, another delivering SnipBot malware, programmed to evade forensic analysis, and a third deploying Rusty Claw and Melting Claw, both linked to Romcom's previous operations. WinRAR doesn't have an auto-update feature, meaning users must download patches themselves. That delay often leaves millions exposed, as seen in past WinRAR exploits in 2019 and 2023, which were actively abused for months before being discovered. Security experts urge all users to upgrade immediately to WinRAR version 7.13 or newer. If you use command line UnRAR tools or portable builds, those must be updated as well. Avoid opening archives from unknown senders, especially email attachments.
This vulnerability is patched, but history shows it's unlikely to be the last. In the world of cybercrime, 0 days are gold, and popular software like WinRAR is a constant target.